Struggling with virtual event marketing? Virtual event organizers often face the challenge of juggling multiple tasks and staying on top of marketing strategies. With so much to manage, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Want a better solution? You've come to the right place. Check out our blog on how to create the ultimate event checklist, complete with a free template to streamline your planning. The link is below. Let's dive into how you can create an effective virtual event marketing plan. Step 1. Set your event goals. Start by defining clear and measurable goals for your event. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or boosting engagement, outlining your goals is the foundation of your plan. Step 2. Identify your target audience. Knowing your audience is key. Who are they? What are their pain points? Tailor your marketing plan to meet their needs and provide value that resonates with them. Step 3. Choose your marketing channels. Focus on the platforms where your audience spends most of their time. Whether it's email, social media, webinars, or influencer partnerships, your choice of channels should align with your audience's habits. Step 4. Craft your key messages. Your event's messaging should be clear, concise, and compelling. Highlight the value attendees will get by joining your event and ensure your messaging speaks directly to their interests. Step 5. Create a content plan. Develop a content calendar leading up to your event. Include blog posts, social media content, email campaigns, and any other material that will keep your audience engaged and excited about the event. Step 6. Budget and resources. Determine your marketing budget and allocate resources effectively. Prioritize efforts that will bring the most value to your event, from paid ads to influencer partnerships. Step 7. Monitor and adjust. Track the performance of your marketing activities and adjust as needed. Utilize tools like Google Analytics and social media insights to measure your success and optimize your strategy. That's your virtual event marketing plan in a nutshell. Remember, success comes from a well-thought-out strategy and ongoing engagement with your audience. Check out the full blog for a more in-depth guide on creating your plan, plus a free template to help you get started today. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more event planning tips. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your virtual event marketing.